They say you can't make friends with salad, but when you put my teriyaki chicken on the salad over there, it's a winner and everyone's going to love it. And I will make lots of friends. It's really simple to do. You start with some spring onions and some ginger that's been chopped really, really fine. And to that, I'm going to add the chicken. We love chicken, and this chicken is fantastic. I'm using whole breast with the skin removed. And what I like to do with this is to cut it into small pieces. You can see these little pieces here. I call them chicken tenders or chicken fingers. And when you cut them nice and small like this, they're very easy to marinate and even easier to cook. I'll slice them all the way through here like this. You can see this is beautiful fresh chicken. Now, pop them into the bowl here, and then it's a matter of adding some teriyaki sauce. This is a beautiful sauce, nice and light, great flavour, and it works so well with the ginger, spring onion, and the chicken as well. A little twist of pepper on there, and of course, salt loves meat, meat loves salt. Teriyaki chicken loves salt the most. On that goes. And then a little sprinkle of extra virgin olive oil just to get the lubrication happening. And then with a pair of tongs, you just mix it around till it all comes together. Now, we know that when you marinate chicken, it's a good idea to marinate it for a couple of hours, 20 minutes at least, or even better, overnight. But you know I'm hungry and I want to get into this straight away. I want to make some friends. Now, I'm using my grill pan. This is perfect for cooking the teriyaki chicken. And the other thing I like about it, it's got this thermo signal on the centre, which tells you it's good to go. It's nice and hot. And the other thing, it works on induction, gas, whatever you've got. Now, I just need to grab the little pieces of chicken and pop them on the grill. Hear that sizzle? That's what you're looking for. It's like having a barbecue inside. And we all know a barbecue is a great way to eat. We get these little bar marks on it as well, which makes it look like it's char grilled. So once we've popped all of these on here, it's just a couple of minutes with that lovely heat that it holds. And if you notice, every piece of chicken I've put on there, that sizzle has stayed the same. That's because it's made with really good metal that'll hold the heat all the way through that cooking time. And that's really, really important. Lots of heat means lots of sizzle. It means perfectly cooked as well. Now, I've got these two breasts on here, which I reckon is about enough, and we'll let that sizzle away for a couple of minutes. While that's cooking, I'm going to put together a lovely little dressing. I've got some mayonnaise here. I put a little bit of teriyaki in there, keeping with the theme, and some rice vinegar. Some mustard goes in there as well, and of course, a squeeze of lemon juice. All I need to do is mix this around, turn that chicken over, and by the time that chicken's cooked, I'll be ready to put the whole salad together. Fantastic. Okay, the chicken's cooked all the way through, and believe me, it only took a couple of minutes. A little squeeze of lemon on there, and we're ready to put the chicken on top of the salad. This would be like a warm salad with lots of pieces of chicken on the top of it. And I've even got some of these spring onions that I'll put on the top of it, nice and green. Look at that. Now, a little bit of dressing on there to bring it all together, and we've got a lovely salad which is guaranteed to bring all the boys to the yard. This will make me lots and lots of friends, nice and creamy, lots of flavour, really easy to do. Pinch of salt on there, a little bit of pepper. That's the salad, isn't it?